Have you ever wondered how much more productive your team could be with the right training? Imagine a workplace where each team member not only excels in their current roles, but also evolves to meet new challenges. This isn't just a dream, it's a realistic outcome of implementing customized training workshops tailored specifically to the needs of your team. Customized training sessions transcend generic educational approaches by integrating detailed training matrices that map specific skills to job roles, ensuring every aspect of the workshop is aligned with team objectives. These matrices help in understanding exactly where the training focuses and the expected uplift in skills competency. This approach guarantees that every minute of training is relevant and directly applicable, leading to measurable increases in productivity almost immediately. We'll delve into ROI calculations that demonstrate the clear financial benefits of such training investments. For instance, by employee turnover by X% and increasing productivity by Y%, companies often see a return on investment within just Z months. Moreover, when employees feel that their professional growth is supported, job satisfaction skyrockets, fostering a more committed and motivated workforce. Additionally, enhancing innovation through these programs not only leads to an uptick in productivity but also positions the company as a leader in its field due to progressive staffing strategies. The cherry on top? The potential return on investment from such training is substantial. Let's explore how customizing training with detailed matrices and ROI projections can transform your team's output and overall job satisfaction, making an undeniable business case for tailored training solutions. What does customized training really mean, and why should it matter to you? Let's delve into this essential aspect of workforce development. Customized training workshops are tailored specifically to meet the unique needs of an organization and its employees. Unlike off-the-shelf training programs that offer a one-size-fits-all approach, customized training digs deeper. It considers the specific challenges, goals, and culture of an organization, ensuring that every aspect of the training is relevant and directly applicable to the participants' daily roles. Imagine a scenario where a tech company wants to enhance its team's cybersecurity skills. A generic training module on information technology might cover the basics, but will it tackle the specific types of cyber threats that this company faces? Probably not. That's where customized training comes into play. The content can be adapted to focus on the particular security protocols relevant to the company, using examples and case studies from their own experiences. Moreover, consider the diversity in learning styles. Some employees might grasp concepts best through visual presentations, while others prefer hands-on activities. Customized training can cater to these varied learning preferences, making the training not just informative, but also engaging for everyone involved. For instance, visual learners can benefit from interactive infographics and videos, whereas kinesthetic learners might engage in role-playing exercises that simulate real-life scenarios. Another critical element is the integration of company culture into training sessions. For example, if a company prides itself on collaborative work, the training workshops can include team-based problem-solving sessions. This not only reinforces the company's values, but also encourages teamwork, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the training. Customization in training means making every minute count towards actual, tangible improvements. By focusing on the specifics rather than the general, customized training ensures that the investment in employee development yields the highest returns in terms of skills enhancement, job satisfaction, and, ultimately, company performance. Consider a global tech company that revolutionized its productivity rates through customized training. Let's dive into how they did it. Imagine a tech giant, a household name known for pushing the boundaries of innovation. But beneath the shiny surface, there was a critical challenge. Their one-size-fits-all training approach was falling short. As technology and markets evolved at breakneck speed, this static training model was no longer cutting it. Employees across various departments were struggling to keep up with the rapid changes, leading to a noticeable dip in overall productivity and innovation. Recognizing the mismatch between their training methods and the dynamic nature of the tech industry, the company decided it was time for a seismic shift. They embarked on a journey to overhaul their training program, aiming not just to educate, but to empower their workforce. The first step was conducting comprehensive stakeholder interviews. These weren't just any interviews, they were deep dives with team leaders, project managers, and even junior staff to understand the day-to-day challenges and skills gaps from multiple perspectives. This qualitative data became the bedrock of their new training strategy. Next came the skill gap analysis. Armed with insights from the interviews, the company analyzed the specific skills that were lagging and mapped out where the industry was headed. This wasn't about patching holes, it was about future-proofing their workforce. They identified key areas such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, where advanced training could not only fill existing gaps, but also propel the company forward. With the data in hand, it was time to pilot their new training sessions. These weren't your typical lecture-style seminars. Each session was tailored to the specific needs of the department it was designed for, incorporating hands-on projects and real-world problem-solving scenarios that mirrored the challenges employees faced on the job. This practical approach ensured that learning was not only engaging, but also immediately applicable. The results? They were nothing short of transformative. Post-training evaluations showed a significant improvement in employee performance, with a sharp increase in efficiency and a reduction in time spent troubleshooting. But the benefits didn't stop there. The new training program also sparked a wave of innovation within the company. Employees felt more confident and equipped to bring new ideas to the table, leading to the development of cutting-edge products and solutions that kept the company at the forefront of technology. Moreover, the shift to customized training showed measurable increases in productivity. Within a year of implementing the new program, the company saw a double-digit percentage increase in output across several departments. This wasn't just a win for the employees, it was a strategic victory that enhanced the company's competitive edge in the tech industry. This case clearly shows that understanding and addressing specific training needs can lead to groundbreaking results. How do you know if your investment in training is actually paying off? Let's dive into how you can calculate the return on investment or ROI for training programs, ensuring that every dollar spent is a step towards greater success. First off, it's essential to recognize that the benefits of training are both qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative benefits, though harder to measure, include improved employee morale and a stronger workplace culture. On the quantitative side, we look at metrics that can be directly measured and calculated. One fundamental metric is performance improvement. This can be observed through pre- and post-training assessments that measure the increase in employee skills and capabilities. For instance, if a sales team's conversion rate jumps from 10% to 15% after a specific training, that's a quantifiable indicator of success. Next, consider employee retention rates. Training can significantly affect how long employees stay with your company. If turnover decreases following a series of training sessions, you're not only saving on recruitment costs, but also retaining valuable institutional knowledge and reducing the disruption that comes with high turnover rates. Another critical metric is the time saved due to increased efficiency. If employees can accomplish their tasks more quickly following training, this time saving translates directly into cost savings for the company. For example, if training helps an employee save 3 hours per week, and their hourly rate is $30, the company saves $90 per week per employee, which adds up significantly over time. Now, to put all these pieces together into a simple ROI formula, you can use the following approach. Subtract the cost of the training from the financial gains obtained post-training, then divide by the cost of the training. Multiply by 100 to get your ROI percentage. 100. Using this formula, you can start to see how your investment translates into financial terms. Whether it's through higher sales, lower turnover, or time savings, each aspect offers a clear insight into the effectiveness of your training. With the right metrics, the impact of your training investment becomes clear and quantifiable. Ready to take the plunge and customize your team's training? Here's how to get started. First, identify the core competencies that are essential for each role within your organization. This isn't just about recognizing what skills are necessary today, but also anticipating the skills that will be vital tomorrow. By understanding these, you can tailor your training to be both relevant and forward-thinking. Next, gather feedback directly from your employees. What skills do they feel they're lacking? What new challenges are they facing? This feedback is invaluable as it ensures that the training you develop is not only needed, but welcomed. Then, it's time to choose the right trainers or training partners. Look for experts who not only have the technical skills, but also the ability to engage and inspire your team. Remember, the best trainers are often great storytellers, turning complex concepts into relatable and memorable learning experiences. Begin with clear goals and a thorough understanding of your team's needs. and you'll craft a training program that really hits the mark. To wrap up, remember that the right training can significantly elevate your team's productivity. Throughout this video, we've explored the transformative power of effective, customized training, how it not only boosts individual skills but also enhances overall organizational performance. By tailoring training programs to the specific needs of your workforce, you ensure that every minute spent training is a minute spent building towards greater success. We've seen how tech giants have pioneered in this area, innovating with training techniques that not only meet current demands but also anticipate future challenges. The approach of calculating the return on investment from these training endeavors further empowers organizations to make informed decisions, ensuring that every dollar spent on training translates into multiple folds of returns in terms of productivity and profitability. By implementing these custom training strategies within your organization, you create a dynamic learning environment that fosters not just growth, but a sustained competitive advantage. Invest in your team's growth through customized training and watch your productivity and profitability soar.